guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today we're driving from Waterloo Road into New Kingston. We'll be looking at a construction site, an apartment complex, but today we'll be doing the video just a little bit different. I'll be driving to the location and then video the building as well. So the building has started probably 3 to 4 months now in terms of construction. So I'm just gonna take you guys there. And again, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content. Remember to also leave a comment in terms of what you think about the construction, the location, stuff like that. And remember to like and share the video. Of my subscribers also asked me to drive back this route and finish Winchester Road as well, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm going across Winchester Road and then to the new construction. There's a lot of apartment complex, a lot of gated community as well. But this is the Winchester Business Center, and we're just finishing Surbiton Road, heading on to Winchester Road. Are now on to Winchester Road. And again, a few apartment complexes on this road, along with this major government building, Bureau of Standards. We also have the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority on the left. Not a very long road. Alright, so we're almost at the location we're heading. We're just finishing Winchester Road. And here we have Water Commission, which famously digs up the road. So they're digging up another road. At least they have someone helping with the traffic. So this is it. This new apartment complex. Very big. I think this is phase 1. I think the location is also ideal. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get some parking for you guys and get some more content. So Just give me a second here. Alright, so here we are. I think the location is ideal as well, in the heart of New Kingston. So it will do well. I think it's six floors. This area was once very prone for robbery, still is, but a little less. Persons used to rob phones and run in the gully that's right in the corner there. So there's a gully right there, so they used to run in the gully. Most of these persons, they used to refer to them as the fishes, or the fish of New Kingston. So that used to be their escape route. So now that this is here and it will be properly fenced, I think that solved that problem. But this area is still very popular for robbery. So even while I'm here, I have to ensure that I have things in place to ensure that I'm safe. But very huge building. So as I mentioned, this is just phase one. I think there will be another one of this size, this magnitude. The complex that they're on, it's a government-owned complex. I think it was the headquarters for a police branch. I think it was the anti-lottery task force. Right, so this is from another angle, RUTHVEN Road. Don't think any work today. Today is a Saturday. So this is the other part of the police complex. As I mentioned, I think it's the office of the lottery scamming. So we still have another big section over here that they'll put the other building. I think it will have gym, swimming pool, jogging trail, stuff like that. So great location, great building, still under construction. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think in terms of the location. We have Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority over this side. We're on RUTHVEN Road. So this goes down to JPS head office at the bottom of RUTHVEN. So I guess the police post here will be eventually relocated when they start phase 2. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe if you're new, and provide some feedback. And as you can see, the space is definitely here to hold a building of this size. Alright, so RUTHVEN Road, mega construction apartment complex, New Kingston, center New Kingston is just over that wall. So great location here. This road can be quiet though, can be a bit unsafe, so you still have to be careful on this road, but I think this building will help a lot in terms of safety. I hope it does, in terms of it not being so lonely. But yeah, New Kingston, RUTHVEN Road. This is where I leave you guys. Remember to comment,